Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to install Python in your system and start coding. To install Python, first go to the URL python.org. Once the page is open, hover your mouse on the Downloads tab. Once you are there, you will see a Downloads for Windows option and along with a download button. Click on the Download Now button. The button is labeled as Python along with the respective version. Once you click on it, the system will automatically start downloading this Python, and you can find this in your download section. Click on, which is shown here. Click on the downloads icon and you will see the recently downloaded Python exe file. Click on the python.exe file and it will open the installation tab. Now in the installation tab, make sure you click on add python.exe to path. It is very important that you click on this. Then once you check this box, click on install now. Once you click on the install now option, it will start showing you the setup progress bar. Wait till the installation is complete. Once the installation is complete, you will see a setup was successful option. Click on the close button. Now to check which version of Python is installed in your system, go to the search bar and type cmd. It will open the command prompt. In the command prompt, type python space dash dash version, then press enter. Once you do that, the system will show you the installed version of the Python in your system. So now we have installed the Python software in our system, but we want to do coding. So how do we start coding on the software? To do that, we need to install one more software which is called Visual Studio. To install Visual Studio, go to the URL code.visualstudio.com. As soon as the page opens, you will find a download for Windows button. Click on the download for Windows button and the system will download the respective software. You can find that download in your download section. Click on the exe file and it will start installing the software. Once the setup installation window opens, click on accept the agreement radio button and press next. Once the installation is complete, you will see this window. Click on finish and then go to your search bar and type VS or Visual Studio and then open the app. Once the app is open, we need to go to the home screen of the app. If you get a screen like this, just press on the go back icon. Now, to start coding, we need to specify the folder in our system where the codes and the default input-output files of your code would be stored. So to do that, click on the files section and then click on open folder. When you click on open folder, the system asks you to specify or the folder in which the files and code output files, input and code files will be stored. So you go to any folder of your desired location, then create a new folder, or you can use an existing folder. In this scenario, we are going to create a new folder. Then create that folder and then select that particular folder. Then what you will see in your Visual Studio Code is that particular folder is opened here. Now in this folder, we want to store the Python file, the file in which we are going to write the code. So click on the new file icon which is present here and name it as any name with a .py extension. It is important that you write this extension for this file because that tells our software that this is the Python file which needs to be executed. Now once you do that, you will see a screen like this. In this one, now so this is the space where we will type our code. Now you can also see the folder which we created and the file in that particular folder, the Python file that we just created. Now in this space you can write your code. For example, let us write a simple print hello world. Now once you have typed this code, we need to run it. So to run the code, you have a run button right here. Once you click on the run button, you will see the output in the terminal tab of your VS Code window. This is how you install Python software in your system, along with an IDE, that is the coding space in your system. To learn more about Python coding, like working with Excel, Google Sheets, integrating AI, do subscribe our channel. Until then, see you next time.